Hello, everybody. So if you've been following what's been going on, this is another collab with Quest for Gear, because today is the day. It is November 27th. It is Thanksgiving, American Thanksgiving, but it's Canada, so we celebrate a month earlier due to when our harvest season ends. So, and I had ordered on Tuesday for this little guy here. I ordered an adapter and ta-da, it showed up. So I'm going to give you just a quick rundown of how this worked. So I went in my email timeline to figure out things, and I went on the shipping thing to figure out timelines. So on the 24th at 7:30, I got an email from McQuade saying, this is our Black Friday sale, click here. So I didn't do it then because it's 7:30 at night, and I try to avoid my computer as much as possible after 4 p.m. So that being said, so the next morning, it's a Tuesday morning at 7:45 a.m., I ordered it, and I got an email notification that I ordered the adapter. So 11:35, a receipt was sent to me from Windsor. I bought this from the Windsor location, which I've never done before. I've never ordered from a location. I usually order from the warehouse, which is completely different. So 11:35, got an email from them saying, here's your receipt. Then I got an email saying, package is ready and been shipped. Here's a tracking number. So it went to the Windsor post office. It got there at 3:49 on Tuesday p.m., 3:49 p.m. Then on the 26th at 9:17 p.m., it was shipped from the Kitchener hub. So they received it at the Kitchener hub. Then on today, this morning at 3:07, it hit the Stony Creek hub, which is not very far from me. And then from Stony Creek, it was delivered to Smithville, which is where I am. And then it was in my P.O. box. So, and that was at 8:41 a.m. And then I went and picked it up at 9:53 a.m. That's just me going by what the timeline said. So I actually we have two unboxings today. Just give me 1 second here. I have to do something. Let me just move my keyboard out of the way. Let me pull in my mic. We're going to do a double unboxing because, let's just move this out of the way. Because not only did I get this from McQuade, Quest for Gear sent me this heavy long box. So I'm going to open that second. So first, now I haven't even opened either of them. I have no idea what's in, well, I know what's in this one, but I have no idea what's in the other one. So let's switch to this camera. Do we have, oh, good, we don't. All right, I was wondering if I had my little black box camera on. So I'm going to open it here. Let's see. This is what you get when you order. Actually, when I order from the warehouse, I get a lot of thank yous and stuff. Today we're going to see what we get from, sorry about that. There's no treats. Usually I get like little trinkets, like what's it called? Keychain or something. So let's just open this up. So this is the one that is meant for the Tascam. Oh, look at that. It's tiny. Look how small that is. That's tiny. And you know what? I love the fact that it has an external, that the adapter is separate. That is nice. I like that. So this is going to go onto, let me grab it, this little guy, and then we just plug it into here, and there we are. And now I'm gonna have regular power. I do have batteries in this. I have been playing with this little guy. Just trying things. So as you can see, I did put some rechargeable batteries in there. Yeah, but I wanted an adapter because I want an adapter. Oh, look at that. It even comes with a different cable. Oh, USB, look at that. So you can USB power it as well. Huh. that a small one? No, it looks like it'll fit. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I didn't know they did that. So that is, oh, it's even got, sorry, it's even got more. It's got a different one. It's got a larger USB. So that's number one. So, to Quest, it didn't take long. Now I was talking to Vic the Synth about this, and he made the joke that, well, if you get it that quickly, then that probably means that Long McQuade just doesn't like Quest. So that was kind of funny. All right, so now we're gonna open up. This came from Quest for Gear. I'm gonna do it this way because the other side has my address. So, oops, I'm doing something here. Something weird going on. Oh, it's because I have my keyboard on my work computer. My work computer is on at the moment. Let's just pull this over. Oops. He says this is something that is not studio related, but is studio related. Oh, damn. All right, let me switch cameras. I guess the thing that everybody needs a lava lamp, and I don't have one. Wow. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. I don't have a lava lamp, but now I do. Oh, I think it's upside down. Well, no, it's just the lid. So, careful, careful. All right, I'm gonna have to place this somewhere that everybody can see it. So, there's the lava lamp. I'll have to read up on how to do this. And there's the heat thing. So, thanks, man. Oh, that's way too funny. That is way too funny. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Thank you once again to all the members for keeping this channel going. I'd also like to thank you for watching this video and sticking around till the end here. If you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe to this video. And if you feel like becoming a member, please join the membership. You get to see videos earlier, and I really appreciate everything that everybody does for this channel. Thank you again.